Okay, friends, let's answer this question. It says 2 points M and N on the surface of the Earth are given by their latitudes and longitudes. Okay, these coordinates M and N. You calculate the radius of the parallel of latitude on which M and N lie, and the distance M and N measured along the parallel of latitude. Okay, so we try and sketch the Earth. Okay, and let's the center be here. That is the equator. Okay, the great circle. Equator. So this is 0, east, west, and the prime meridian, or the Greenwich meridian. This is north and south. Okay. Now, longitudes are measured east or west. Latitudes are measured east or west of the Greenwich meridian. Then longitudes are measured north. Latitudes are measured north or south of the equator. Okay, so I can just try and locate this center. Now, M, the coordinate of M is 50 degrees south and 15 degrees east. N is 50 degrees south and 75 degrees east. Okay, so this 50 degrees we measure from, this is 0, so we measure, it should be somewhere. Let's any position, any convenient position down here is acceptable. Okay. Okay. Now what it means is that this is 50 degrees south. Okay, we have measured, this is south. Now M is 15 degrees east. 15 degrees east. So this the center of this. These are all. This is called parallel of latitude. All the small circles are called parallels of latitude, to the north and to the south. Okay. Now 15 degrees is maybe something like this. 15 degrees. This is 15 degrees east, and so the position of M will be, okay, so this is M. Now N is 75, so this is 15. 75 somewhere there. So measure, see. So this point, that will be, okay, this is N. Okay, so of course the angle between the angle here sustained by this little space is 75 degrees minus 15 degrees. That is 60 degrees. So this is 60 degrees. Okay. Now this is the radius of this small parallel of latitude. This latitude. But the radius is not given. Okay. What is given in the question is radius of the Earth R. It is given as 6400 kilometers. Okay. Now, the radius of the Earth is measured from the equator. So any line you draw from the center of the equator to the surface of the Earth is the Earth's radius. Okay. Now, how did we measure here? We got this 50 degrees now by measuring, take it from 0 to 50 degrees. And so this line is right here. Okay. This is R, radius of the Earth, because we've taken it from the center of the Earth to the surface of the Earth is big R. Okay, now that means here is 50 degrees. This angle too is 50 degrees, because this R from this point to this point is also R, because from the center to the surface is R. So we are now having a situation like this. Okay, this is the equator, radius of the equator, which is R, and we are having from this point to this point, distance between the two circles, the great circle, and this is this distance. Now, from this point to this point is this. And so we are now having this kind of situation. This is 50 degrees. Alternate angle, because these two lines are parallel, this is 50 degrees too. And this is R, the R we are looking for, okay? And this is big R. Any line, this is R, because any line you draw from the center of the equator to meet the surface is the radius of the Earth. Okay? Now, this is a right angle triangle. If you take the radius of number one, they say we should calculate the radius of the parallel. This is called parallel of latitude. If you take the radius of the parallel of latitude to that of the Earth, it will give us cosine 50 degrees. So R will be big R cosine 50 degrees. So we use our calculator. So we have, of course, R, we know R is 6400, so R is 6400 times 50, 0.6428 times 6400 equals, is approximately, R is approximately 4100 kilometers. Okay. 2. We should calculate distance. Question number 2, the distance mn. So we are having a situation like this. An arc. This is m. This is n. This is 60 degrees, and this is R, which is 4,100 kilometers. Okay, so length of an arc, generally arc length, usually angle over 360 times 2 pi r, or angle over 360 times pi d. This is true because 2 times r is d. So okay, so that enables us to write mn equals theta over 360. Theta is 60 over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times r, which is 4,100. And that gives us a calculator. 4,100 times 44 is 2 times 22 times 60 equals 60 times 44 times 6100 equals, divided by 360 equals, divided by 7. Gives us approximately mn is approximately equal to 4,300 kilometers. Thank you very much.